This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. So we have the brand new 2019 ZA5000 from Sony ES. Look at how beautiful this is. We even have networked like a gigabit switch here on the back, as well as I was informed earlier that port 1 and 2 are PoE. For custom integration, this is absolutely beautiful. We have our two zone, main zone and zone 2, as well as 5 HDMI ports and our fiber optic. Looks like this is 7, 9, 11 channel amp. We got our front A, center, surround back, high 1, high 2. And then on the front, we have a really nice visual appearance of the product. The front panel comes off. And you have all your hard buttons. This is just an overview of the product. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. To purchase this product, just give us a call or shoot us an email. We are your Dallas area dealer and custom installers. Thank you for watching. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater.